Hello, this is Jared, the portfolio manager with BMW of Bridgewater. Going over today wireless charging in a BMW. Now, in order to clarify how wireless charging works in BMW, I'm just going to break down a couple of things. For 2018 or newer BMW models, certain phones are able to do wireless charging while others aren't. Currently, right now for iPhone, only the iPhone 8 and up can be compatible for wireless charging. And also for only current Android models as well. So unfortunately, if you're somebody like myself who has an iPhone 6, this will not be working for you, but I do want to demonstrate for those who have it or think about getting this option. Wireless charging at BMW is not a standard option. It would be something you would have to order with the vehicle. So let me go ahead and show you what that would look like. Right now we're currently in a 5 series. So in the 5 series, if you go ahead and look down, it's going to be right in the middle console right here. So what you do is go ahead and roll it up, and you're going to see your target area right here, so I want to make sure you get a good view of that. Now the beauty of our wireless charging is I'm going to use my coworker's phone, no judgment needed. So if you go ahead and take a look, this phone currently not only has a case, but a pop socket. Now the beautiful thing about wireless charging in this BMW is that you're actually still able to do it with both. Now go ahead and watch what happens here. You're going to go ahead and see two things happen there. The screen lit up, and you're also going to see the blue light below. That's how you know that wireless charging is engaged. Now, for certain models of BMW, it's not going to be in the middle console up front right here. It could be in the center console right here, along with a couple other locations. Now, if you're curious of how that would look, we'd be more than happy to show you. All you have to do is just come on in to BMW Bridgewater and speak to one of our client advisors or geniuses about our wireless charging features in our new BMW models. Hope this was informative, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.